Hi, I'm Jeff from Jeff's Bronco Graveyard. I'd like to welcome to our February new products video. Our first new product is this ECM harness, electronic control module harness. This is brand new, acquired these from a place. These are new old stock from Ford, brand new. These fit the 87, the 93, F150, 250, and Bronco with a 302 or 351 engine with speed density system. It's a 60-pin unit right here for the module. Like I said, these are brand new, complete harness for the 87 to 93 Bronco and F150, 250, 351, or 302 engine. And our next new products from Carpenter Industries is this instrument cluster Lense. This is for the 80 to 86 Ford Bronco and F-Series pickup. There's two different versions. Carpenter came out with this one. This is if you have the Tripometer, that little keeps track of your trip on the meter. There's a little button you push to reset it. Well, this is the lens you need right here. We have both the Tripometer one and the standard one, brand new for the 80 to 86 Ford Bronco and F-Series pickup. And our next new products for the 92 to 96 Ford Bronco is this third brake light lens assembly. It's got the brake light here and got your two cargo lights here. These are brand new. We just had them made. They'll be here roughly April 15th to May 5th. Brand new for the 92 to 96 Ford Bronco. We're taking orders for them right now. If you order now, you get free freight on them. So brand new for the 92 to 96 Ford Bronco, third brake light lens assembly. And our next new product are these dust shields. These are for the front of the 80 to 93 Ford Bronco F150 four-wheel drive pickup. We sell these as pairs. We have this reproduced. They're pretty much spot on to original. Got all the cooling holes in here. Got a coated metal finish, nice heavy-duty steel. Backside, we got had to put the shield on. This helps direct the air in there to cool the brakes on it. Brand new. We sell these right and left. These are for the 80 to 93 Ford Bronco and F150 Ford pickup, four-wheel drive. And they'll be here about May 1st. We're taking orders right now for them. If you order now, when they come in, your order will be shipped and you'll get free shipping on it. For our February web truck of the month, we have the 2022 Ford Bronco Raptor. It's wider, taller than the average Bronco, but it's stronger and faster. You'll enjoy the video. Thank you for your support and hope to see you again next month.